afternoon, boys and girls. You just watched the video on YouTube about community helpers and how there's different community helpers. This page is in your packet, and I know that I told you this before, but I just wanted to reshare. There's every second grade teacher teaches math, science. No, they don't. Every second grade teacher teaches math, reading, writing, grammar, phonics, and all of that stuff. However, for science and social studies, that is a specific teacher's job. So a specific teacher teaches social studies, a specific teacher teaches science, and then when I was in second grade, my job, or what my content that you would get when you would come to my class, is math. So we would talk about number sense, we would talk about graphing, we would talk about, I can't remember because it's been a really long time, but we would talk about different things for math. So I'm telling you this in long story, because I don't know what a short story is, is that I am following another teacher's social studies lesson plan. This page was in her lesson plan, and I was like, okay, cool. I thought that it would make sense by the time we got to it, and it doesn't make sense. So I just went on a wild goose chase to try to figure out what I'm supposed to be doing with this page, because I kind of don't know. I watched the video, just like you guys got to watch the video, and I was like, okay, it's going to make more sense. No, it still doesn't make sense. So I think that you're missing a page. I'm also missing that page, and that's okay. We're just going to go through it. You can jot some notes down to help you, and then we're just going to kind of talk about it, okay? So there's different helpers in the community. Some people are in the community to provide a service, like kind of like a doctor, more so like a teacher, okay? Some people are in the community to keep us safe. So while you're in school, yes, teachers are there to keep you safe, but the police officer helps keep you safe, the firefighter helps keep you safe. You can argue that the doctor helps keep you safe too. So helpers in the community either provide a service or keep us safe, okay? So I'm told that on this page that we are both missing, that there was an image of each of these and we were to sort them underneath. So if you would like, on this top square in each box, you could draw a picture of each of these things, okay? So maybe for a dentist, I might draw a tooth. I'm kind of impressed with my tooth right now. That looks kind of like a tooth. Okay. For a teacher, I might draw an apple. For a firefighter, Lord have mercy, I might draw fire. And how do I draw a person holding a hose? Okay. The firefighter is putting out the fire. For a police officer, what would I draw for a police officer? All I can picture is their hat. Maybe police officers wear hats. I can't think of what their hat looks like, though. And then there's an emblem up here. I also can't think of what that looks like. Maybe you could look up what a police hat looks like. For a vet, I could draw... Oh, Lord, I tried drawing a dog the other day, and it did not work out. Let's see if I can draw a better dog today. I could draw a dog, or a cat, or a guinea pig. Dog has square top ears. Well, this dog looks much better than my dog did the other day. My dog the other day looked like a duck dog. For a doctor, I could draw the stethoscope that they use to listen to your heart. or your breathing. Okay, so there's my image of each of my community helpers. So how do they help us? Well, a doctor, we do go to them just for checkups, and that's not necessarily when we're sick, but helps keep us healthy. Helps keep us healthy. A veterinarian helps keep our pets healthy. Helps keep us safe. The police help keep us safe. Firefighters help keep us safe too. Teachers help us learn. Dentists help keep our teeth healthy. Okay? I don't know what we would write on that bottom line. I have no idea. Maybe if we have one in our neighborhood, in our community. Here in Brooklyn, we have doctor's offices, we have a veterinarian, we have a police department, we have a fire department, we have a school that has teachers, and we also have a couple of dentists. So all of these community helpers are right here in Brooklyn. In Napoleon, there is a veterinarian, a police station, a fire station, and a school. I don't think there's a dentist or a doctor in Napoleon. And in Jackson, there's definitely doctors. There is at least one veterinarian, but I'm willing to bet that there's more than one. There is a police station, a big one, bigger one than here anyway. There is a fire station. I don't actually know where the fire station is in Jackson, but I know that there has to be one. There's lots of schools in Jackson, and there's more than one dentist in Jackson. So really, what I want you to walk away from this video knowing is some examples of community helpers, and also that there are some examples of community helpers, in that the job of a community helper is to help provide a service or to keep us safe. Okay? I will see you tomorrow for more social studies.